Alright, this is the quiet sump pump check valve, and in a moment here it's going to turn on and you'll hear the bizarre gurgling sound it makes when it opens. It worked very quietly for the first few weeks. I've had it for about a month and a half now. It definitely does close silently. There's no more water hammer, but the initial opening is a major nuisance. I'll give it a few moments here. So you probably heard that buzzing sound. There's a lot of water. I turned it off for about a day, so the well is probably full. And you'll hear that it does close softly. There is no water hammer, but that initial gurgling is the ultimate problem. It's going to cause me to swap it out with another one that doesn't have that problem. So like I said before, it didn't happen initially, but all of a sudden it started happening. I have a Zoller sump pump inside the well, and some people online have said that there might be an issue with the weeping hole, but I'm not 100% sure. At any rate, that's what I wanted to show you folks. So if you do get this Campbell quiet check valve, it'll probably work initially, and then you may start running into that problem. So something to consider prior to purchasing. Thanks.